Hello and welcome to Check It Out with Rich. As you can tell, I'm not in my camper. This is actually my mother-in-law's. Her thermostat isn't reading the temperature. It's always up into 90 degrees and she wants to know what the temperature is. So I ordered a new one off of Amazon and we're going to get it installed. This is a Suburban. It looks pretty straightforward, just a couple screws, and we'll see what the wiring is in the back to get it hooked up. Alright, so let's get this thing out of here. So this cover just pulls right out, and it looks like we got 2 or 3 screws. Okay, 3 screws that go into the paneling, and looks like just 2 wires. Okay, so we get these wires off of here. Screwdriver's too big. I don't have my other one on me, so we're going to the Leatherman. Yeah, it's 1 wire. And then the other wire. And this is the information on that. I don't know how well you can see that, but okay, new one comes with some screws we're not going to use. And I gotta drill these holes out. Now how well you can see, but they drilled these holes out so the terminals can go through. So let me get my drill and we'll get that drilled out. Alright, I got my drill. I'm just going to drill these out a little bit. Watch the wires. Let's see if that'll fit. Alright, that's good. And this one is also good. Get this out of the way. Okay. Get these wires on. I was just looking at something. I didn't have to take this all apart. All I would have had to done was just change the cover. Oh well. I should have grabbed my screwdriver while I was out there. Alright, that's the one. Let's get this other one in there. I don't know why they have 2 different size wires here. One looks like maybe a 14, the other one's a 16. I don't know why there's 2 different sizes. Which means you got 2 different terminal ends. Alright, I'm liking that a little bit better. Get this up here. Okay, that all looks good. Let's get these screws in. And these screws are just going into the paneling, so there's not much air for it to bite onto. If she has problems, I think if you'd bump this or something, it's going to strip the screws out. You'll have to move it probably up a little bit. Okay, so grab the right cover. Let's try her out and see if she works. Alright, it clicked on. And it's saying 70 degrees. This one is saying 90. I tried to adjust it before to see if there's some way of doing that, and I couldn't get it. I hear it clicking. I don't know if she has a propane on or not, but it's running, it's working. Turn it down. Okay, another easy fix. It would have been a lot easier had I just looked at this. I could have swapped out the covers. So anyway, thanks for checking it out. We'll see you all next time. Bye.